I'm going to show you how to use the clutch pin in a minute to turn the valve manually if there's a power loss. But before I do that, I just want to point out a few other things. First, the Bulldog, as you can see here, only mounts on the valve itself. So it doesn't put any stress on the plumbing pipes. Some other similar products actually mount on the plumbing pipe. They're supported by the plumbing pipe, and if you mount that way it can cause stress on the plumbing connection. So that's a plus of ours with this single bracket that only mounts on the valve itself, so there's no stress on the plumbing. Also, I just wanted to show you, this is a proper mount with using the rear support bracket on the pins, and this is optional, and you would use this in the case where it's lower on the valve handle like it is here, so it's nice to have the bracket here. And I've centered the pivot points. It's very important to center the pivot points. Even a little off center can cause stress, and you know, this is in cases where people think there's not enough torque, but it's not because of the there's not enough torque, it's because they haven't centered the pivot points. And you can do that by, you know, positioning this properly on the valve as it is here, and then this screw lets you slide this back and forth to get the pivot points centered. And of course you should only use one screw in here, so you can slide it back and forth. Sometimes you're tempted, if it almost lines up, to put the second screw in, but you don't need to do that. It only comes with the one screw, and you just use a single screw there. Alright, so here's how you use the valve in the case of a power loss. You simply push the clutch pin on the bottom of the motor assembly, and then you turn the valve. Open, close.